has a bad wheel motor. It's like $1,300 for the wheel motor, and I've never seen one used. So this motor's going on that guy over there in yellow. Whoosh. I gotta get to the bottom of this though. I got flat tires, parked it where there's no space. So first goal is to get under there. Should only be 4 or 5 bolts from the bottom, and then, you know, take off the solenoid. Might have to take off this muffler bracket, shield, whatever you want to call it. And then there's 4 14mm bolts. It's already loose. I'm gonna unplug the PTO clutch, and there's not a key or nothing in it. I'm just gonna start prying up on this to knock the clutch off, and then start unplugging stuff, fuel lines and stuff like that. I'll wait till I break it free. But I jacked it up. Got the 2 back bolts from down there. The 2 front ones I had to kind of sneak under here. You'll see the bolt pattern when I pull it out. These are 8mm. We'll disconnect the choke and throttle cables. PTO clutch wiring was buried in there. Had to use like a screwdriver pick to kind of pop it out the connector. But other than that, this thing is pretty much ready to get out of here. Alright, batteries disconnected. Fuel lines disconnected. Only wire that should be on it right now is just going down to the solenoid. And I'm probably just gonna, I'm just gonna take it off the starter. Then there's these connections. That stays fine where this opens up at. I'm gonna unplug this from this goes up to the ignition switch, start switch and everything. So I'm gonna plug this, take off this here. It's probably the easiest spot. And then I'll just swap that over when I bring it to the other mower. Green to red, white to black, green to red, and white to black. Looks like that's it. Well, it's raining, so the shaft on this wanted to spin when I was trying to turn this. On my other one, when I removed the Kawasaki, I was able just to hit it with an impact and came right off. But this one has this in the way, so that might be the reason why. Couldn't find nothing to grip on the shaft to stop it from spinning, so I put something in the spark plug hole. Just a cloth, cotton cloth. And it's not the way I wanted to do it, but it worked, and I'm just taking this off. It's a 16mm. And after this, I'll be able to slide that off. I already unplugged it up top. Now I'll be able to just pull this mower out. And it's raining pretty bad over here now, so I'm just gonna do this and maybe stop, or I don't know. I don't want to get this done. see the 4 mountain bolts. That one's back there. There's the electric clutch switch. This goes to the main harness. This goes to ground. We'll leave all that connected up on the other one.